how to change Taobao to English on your mobile. So if you want to change your Taobao to English, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go for the search. You can simply go for www.taobao.com and you can go for this kind of page. So once you're here on this kind of page, you can log into your account or sign into your account, and what you need to do is simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you will have an option of translate. Tap on translate and it will automatically translate the page to English. Or you can go for settings, which is on the upper right, and go for more languages, and you can change to any language that you would like to change your Taobao. So that's how you can change your Taobao to any other language, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.